My husband Glenn and I went to El Paso, Texas to his high school reunion. First night we met with Glenn's cousin's family and they took us to the best restaurant in El Paso, Cattleman's Steakhouse at Indian Cliffs Ranch. It was a wonderful experience. Restaurant has a lot of cowboy stuff, animals. The food was outstanding. Perfectly smoked sausages, steaks cooked to perfection, and of course the great company. Very next day I got inspired by Texas cowboy spirit and Glenn decided to get me boots. Hell knows where and when I'm gonna be wearing them, but the search was pretty fun. Then we met with lots of Glenn's friends, tried lots of great Texas food, drinks, visited family and his house he used to live. He even managed to get a tour at his high school he used to play football at. This is the field. I am so proud of him. We all went to the high school reunion. We stayed with his childhood friend Pat and his wife Linda. Lots of great childhood stories were shared and I asked Pat to make his favorite hangover drink. Here it is. So what are we making here?
It's called a Bloody Bear.
Bloody Bear, okay. So what are we putting here?
This is tomato, about an inch.
Okay.
Okay. And then a little lime juice. I can't believe you never tried tomato.
I know.
Okay, celery salt. Oh, where's my Tabasco? Tabasco? Worcestershire.
We have a friend who's out there working at her taxi.
That I don't quite get, but let me tell you what.
All right, hold on. This celery salt, and then I have to find it. I'm sorry.
Like 5 dashes?
Yeah.
Approximately?
And then a whole beer on top of it. We usually do Bud Light, but these are fine.
Mm-hmm.
We don't use good beer.
And you know what? I think they put fetus stuff in the. They were just like
Fetus stuff. Okay.
And that's it?
You try it. See if
Okay. Let's give it a try.
the first tip is going to be a little salty.
Oh, I like it. It's very refreshing.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Very refreshing.
Have Glenn